Now, here we are on the ends. I've cut a small, about 1/8 inch piece of redwood veneer from the same boards, which I'm holding up right here over the end apron. This is on the far right hand side, and you see when I remove it, you can see all these screw holes that are here. We've got 5 in each leg, so that's a total of 10. We've got another 7 up top in the upper joist, and we got 2 more in the longitudinal beam. So the customer who's paying for this project complained about it, so I've gone ahead and gotten this veneer that I'm going to put over there. I'm going to glue it into place and staple it. That'll cover that up. And one other thing, these apron here, I guess I'm not sure exactly what happened, but this is a little bit off here. It's a little bit around somewhere between, yeah, somewhere around 1/16 of an inch off here on this side, maybe a little less down here. So I'm going to put another piece, this piece right in here. I'll put that in there, and that'll act as a spacer in there so that that end piece will be stable over there. This shows how I've got this board here clamped up here on the edge. You can see it's very thin, and we'll wind up sanding it off a little bit. And I'm using pretty small staples. Here's the staples I'm going to use, which are about 3/4 of an inch. And I'm going to use the 8X fast grab polyurethane adhesive so that it forms a tight, quick bond. Okay, so we've got this bottom shim, whatever you want to call it, in here to cover this area that was too small. It's protruding just a little bit so it can be sanded off. But we put it in there with 3/4 inch staples and the 8X polyurethane fast grab adhesive. So it's good and secure. Now, if you look down here, we'll go ahead and put the upper plate in. We'll put in the polyurethane adhesive along the top, along the bottom, and then we'll staple it in place. Okay, so we've got the end plate veneer on there, and we've got 1-inch staples up there on the top, and we put them on the end and underneath each crack on the top. You probably can't, I don't know if you can see those or not, but they're there. And then we put them at once every other crack and on the ends down on the bottom. I'm just leaving those clamps on there just to make sure it cures up. Alright, this is the second end that we've got put on there. That veneer, about 1/8 of an inch thick on there. So that should take care of that.